Hi. Today's topic is higher education still necessary for success? My opinion, education, especially higher education, plays very crucial role. I understand the importance of education save our future. We can see it all around us. People with a very higher educational qualification are left without jobs. From this, we can understand along with higher education need skills, adaptability and lifelong learning. We know that this type of education has been provided in foreign countries for a long time. Here the government doesn't take any initiative to provide this type of education. Our present government and our earlier former governments also follow our traditional methods only. I think government must come forward to provide appropriate education for the time. In this way, we can protect the future generation from jobless. Thank you all.